Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change the Wi-Fi network on your TP-Link Tapo smart plug using the Tapo application in 2026. So first of all, you need to open the Tapo application on your phone. Then you need to make sure of one thing, that you are signed in into your TP-Link account if you haven't already. Now, once you have successfully logged in into your Tapo application, you just have to simply unplug the device and then you need to plug it into the Tapo smart plug. Now, if the device is offline, that's completely normal after changing the Wi-Fi. Now, you just have to first of all press and hold this particular power button on top of your smart plug, and you need to basically hold it for at least 5 seconds or until the LED starts blinking orange and green. So when it starts blinking, it simply means that now the plug is in the pairing mode. So once this is done, you just have to open the application, then tap on this plus icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. So it is going to open the add device option for you. So you need to simply tap on the option of add device. Now it is going to show you the list of all of the devices that you can add here. So since you want to add plug, you need to simply select the option of plugs. Now among the given list of the plugs, you just have to simply select that particular plug which you want to connect it. So you just have to simply select the one. Afterwards, on the next page, you will be shown the information about changing the Wi-Fi. So you just have to simply provide the Wi-Fi network, and then you need to enter the password associated with it and wait for about a minute for the plug to reconnect. So once it is connected, you will be able to rename the plug. You will be able to assign it to a room and test turning it on and off from the application. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.